Hello, this plant you are seeing on the screen is called Acalypha plant. In this particular video, we are treating red or bloody diarrhea in poultry. How to use Acalypha plant leaf juice in treating red or bloody diarrhea in poultry farming. If your poultry birds, chicken, broiler, turkey, geese, or any other birds is dropping reddish or bloody diarrhea, this video is for you. Make use of this video, everything concerning this video, to treat that particular bird with Acalypha plant leaf juice. Make sure you watch the video to the end. If this video gives you a good go ahead in your poultry farm, give it a thumb up right away. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers, and make sure you share the video in your profile so that you have access to it anytime you like. Let's get to the main video. Thank you. How to stop red diarrhea or bloody diarrhea in poultry with Acalypha leaf juice. Farmers shocked by fast results. The result you get from this Acalypha leaf juice is very fast because it is a wonderful plant with potent natural properties. Are you a poultry farmer? Do you know this particular plant? Yes, many people plant this in their houses as a flower because of its color. It has a very colorful, attractive nature that many people adorns it. It is powerfully and it is medicinal to poultry and livestock animals. It is called Acalypha leaf. It is called Acalypha plant. See it here. See the video here. Watch it. Identify it anywhere you see it because it's a very common plant. Now I'm going to give you, this Acalypha, they are of two nature. There's one of green and there's one of red. This is red one. Red Acalypha. It is green. We have green Acalypha. We have red Acalypha. Identify this plant and make use of it. Are you a poultry farmer? Do your poultry birds dropping reddish color or bloody stains all over the environment? It is a sign of a very dangerous poultry health issue that are caused by many poultry diseases, which I'm going to discuss in this video. I'll tell you the diseases that can cause this red or bloody stains, how to take care of it with Acalypha leaf juice, how to prepare Acalypha leaf juice, how the dosage and the administration also. All will be discussed here. The medicinal properties of Acalypha leaf juice and the signs and symptoms of poultry birds dropping red. Red or bloody diarrhea in poultry is a deadly warning sign. It is commonly caused by Coccidiosis, a fast-spreading intestinal disease that destroys the gut walls of chickens, especially broilers and young chicks. If left untreated earlier, red droppings can wipe off all your flock in just few days. But here is the good news for you today. Nature offers powerful herb that can cure this in short period of time, named Acalypha indica. That's the botanical name. The leaf juice of this particular plant has astonishing results in stopping bloody diarrhea and restoring poultry health naturally without any synthetic drug or chemical residue. Let's explore this in the particular video and join me. Let us discuss the possible causes of red or bloody diarrhea in poultry. Number one major cause is Coccidiosis. Many farmers know this. The number one major cause of red or blood diarrhea is Coccidiosis, especially in broilers. Number two is necrotic arthritis, often followed or accompanied with Coccidiosis. Number three is severe worm infestations, damaging intestinal linings and walls. Number four is internal bleeding from heat stress or trauma. Number five is toxins and chemical injections. Number six cause is infectious brucell disease, IBD, weakening immunity. Number seven is bacterial infections, Salmonella can cause that. Number eight is vitamin K deficiency, causing clotting issues. Number nine is stress-related issue, overcrowding, poor sanitation, poor ventilation, and others. Number 10 is mixing incompatible antibiotics or drug reactions in poultry can cause this. Having known all this now, what happens when chickens start dropping blood diarrhea? When they start dropping, what do you notice? What happens to your poultry birds? One, there will be immediate loss of appetite and energy. They will be too weak. Droppiness and isolated behavior. They will go to one corner because they feel that they are dirty. They can't mix up with other birds. They will go and hide in one corner of the poultry pen. Rapid dehydration and weight of loss. Bloody or tarry dropping underfoot. Lethargy and labored breathing. They will breathing like this. Pale comb and wattles. Their comb will be as if there is powder on it. Poor feet conversion and stunted growth. Automatic. Sudden mortality spike in 2 to 5 days. Foul smelling litters and increased ammonia level in the poultry house. Potential total flock collapse if untreated earlier. You are going to fix the effects of this. What are the medicinal properties of Acalypha indica leaf juice to cure bloody diarrhea? One is anti-coccidiosis, which inhibits a malaria parasite that causes coccidiosis. Number 2 is antibacterial, which destroys harmful gut bacteria like Clostridium and Salmonella. Number 3 is antiparasitic, which cleanses intestinal worms and blood parasites. Number 4, anti-inflammatory, which soothes and heals inflamed gut tissues in the poultry bed. Number 5, astringent, which reduces bleeding by triggering damaged gut linings. Astringent, which reduces bleeding by tightening damaged gut linings in poultry. Number 6, detoxifier, which flushes out toxins and chemical residues from the system of a poultry bed. Number 7, immunostimulant, which boosts white blood cell production and resistance. Number 8, appetite restoring, which encourages feeding after recovery immediately. Number 9, antioxidant, which repairs cells damaged by parasite toxins. Number 10, natural antibiotic, which reduces dependence on synthetic drugs and waste of money. Bloody diarrhea is one of the fastest killers in poultry farming. The good news is that with early direction and dictation in poultry, with organic intervention using Acalypha indica leaf juice, you can stop this killer disease within 24 to 48 hours naturally and safely without spending much. This miracle plant doesn't just treat the symptoms, it heals the gut, fights off infections, and strengthens your bird's immunity against future attack. Whether you are rearing broiler, layer, indigenous birds, or turkey, Acalypha leaf juice is must-have remedy in your poultry health plan. If this particular topic interests you, right away give it a thumb up and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Subscribe to our channel and activate the bell notification so that anytime we release an update or any other topic on this channel, you get notified. Subscribe to both channels because we post videos on the two channels on the same day, different videos on the same channel, different channels. And follow our channel membership. Join our channel membership. Click join on the right corner of your screen and use your MasterCard or credit card or bank card. Follow the directions there and choose any of the categories. Join them. We have many there. We have Duru, we have Suzanne, we have Eunice, we have Key Solution Farms, we have Alefuna Maka, we have Izuchukwu Ibeku, we have Janet Wigwe, we have Ude Onyedikachi, Huawei TV, and Slow 25 TV. All of them are there. And many others that I cannot mention here and leave this particular topic impartially treated. Let us meet on the comment channel membership. This will give you unlimited access to get our attention in your poultry farm. We have already created a group, a WhatsApp group where our channel's members will be, so that we have our meeting, discuss, and with any challenges they have, we cannot treat them, so that they will be free from every expenses on poultry farming. This particular leaf we are treating, want to run away from poultry infections, this particular Eco Boy Booster is here for you. It is only 55k, 5 liters. 5 liters is about 5,000 ml. This will give you 24/7 protection against every viral, bacterial, fungal, parasite, or any infection, even worms. This will detoxify your poultry and keep them healthy. It will act as a beneficial bacteria to them, boost their immunity, growth. You get maximum weight within short period of time, and you can get up to 8-10 kg in your poultry farming within short period of time. This is for you. Ask for it on the comment section. We send it to you directly to we bill it to your location. You get it from any of the garages around your environment. This is 55k 5 liters for you. Now, how do we apply this Acalypha leaf juice? Gather 100 gram of Acalypha leaf juice for 100 birds, 500 gram for 500 birds. Gather it, wash it well, pound it, and squeeze out add little water and squeeze out the juice properly. It is always reddish in color after squeezing out the juice. This Acalypha leaf juice is powerful, it's wonderful. It's not only for poultry birds, it also heals a lot of infection in human being also. If you want to know more about it, ask me on the comment section. I will tell you more of this in human organic medication. It's a wonderful plant. It treats a lot of infections in human beings, most especially people that are having pile. This particular plant has strong anti-pile capacity to heal you. This is a wonderful plant. I don't want to go into human medicine here because this is not what I'm for. I'm here for poultry and livestock animals. But after squeezing the juice, give 1 liter to 100 birds. Share it to them. Mix it properly and give it to them. Make sure you give this within 24 hours. Don't keep it till the next day. Every day you gather the same thing and squeeze and give to them on daily basis for 5 to 7 days. It clears off this. Within 3 days, they are already free. Then use the remaining 2 days to boost their immunity against reinfestation. Then after that, you pack out all the beddings, clear the whole beddings, wash the whole environment before you put new floor for them. Then they will start living well. Thank you for watching this video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, I say bye.